Hello again. Now let's say I have 2x squared minus 4x plus 6 equals 0. We are going to solve this equation for x by completing the square. Well, just so you know, completing the square only works if this says x squared, as in 1x squared. So if this were a x squared plus bx plus c, a has to be 1. But in this case, a is 2. But notice that all these are divisible by 2. Okay? So I'm going to divide everything by 2, including the 0. So because I can divide everything by 2, I'm left with x squared minus 2x plus 3, and then 0 divided by 2 is still 0. So now I need to complete the square. Okay? So what I'll do is I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. Now I have x squared minus 2x, and I leave space here, equals -3. Now I complete the square by finding b divided by 2 squared, which equals c. So b is -2, so that's -2 divided by 2 squared. That's -1 squared, which is 1. So it's plus 1. And that makes my square in the parentheses x minus 1. But because I added 1 to this side, add 1 to this side. So that makes this -2. We take the square root of both sides, which gives me x minus 1 equals plus or minus the square root of -2. And remember, when you have a square root of a negative number, that's imaginary. So we will make that x minus 1 equals plus or minus I square root of 2. So then I will add 1, add 1. X equals 1 plus or minus I, the square root of 2. That's how you complete the square.